Let's see, it's March 12th, 2011. We have Cade. Hi, Cade. Hi, Cade. Cade. Not so much. He's too busy building. These are the boys from the childbirth class. Cade's busy building. Jocelyn, who's pregnant like I am. Sarah. She's the fun one for sure. She's Finnegan's mom. And there's Kelly with Brighton.
Can you say hi?
Hi, Brighton.
Hi. Can you wave? No, if you want to read that book instead. Do you want to read
Too much stuff to do. Cade's busy, or Finnegan's busy too.
Surprise the horse.
And what's Eli doing? Something totally different.
Oh, I should have brought my little horse.
Snuggling with Daddy. Eli, can you wink for me? Good, thank you. You're so obedient. Hi, Finnegan. Hi. What you doing?
Give it a little push.
And Cade's gonna climb the table. And Eli is still the peanut of the group.
You want to watch? Let's watch.
Believe it or not, Eli has been playing, just not at the moment.